I think I'm really proud of the Canadian manufacturing sector as a whole, as the industry has shown a lot of resilience as we came out of the pandemic. So I think there's a lot of good things going on. We see a quick ramp back up into production. Definitely not as quickly as we would hope, but I think in lieu of what we went through in the Canadian manufacturing sector, I think it's good progress. I think automation is really at the forefront right now, and I think a lot of companies are seeing the importance of automation, especially as they try to bounce back. And if we look at some of the workforce downturns we had early on in the year, I think people are really springboarding and platforming that automation really needs to be at the forefront as to how they take forward their automation and manufacturing facilities. OEMs, end users alike, I think one of the big things to focus right now is on remote connectivity. I think we need to look at what do we need to do and how do we do things better. I think the one thing that the past year has shown us is that there is a soft spot or a gap inside of the manufacturing sector from a connected devices perspective. While we believe a lot of our customers, a lot of the industry incorporates new technological devices, we still see a lack or maybe a hesitance towards connected products in terms of cloud computing or just within a plant, using more industry 4.0 and having some of that level of connectivity. So I would encourage end users, OEMs alike, and manufacturers to really embrace the digital transformation. I think it is really a time when we need to do that, and I think it's gonna reduce our dependency on outdated manufacturing practices and processes, as well as outdated automation equipment. We have various services within our business. We have obviously our sales organization, which is very, very capable, in working with customers, OEMs, end users, in understanding their needs and also doing a quick assessment of where they are today in terms of their digital transformation and their digital readiness. But we also have a dedicated Schneider Field Services organization, which focuses a big part of their business in terms of plant and site and even factory evaluation or even machine evaluation, where we would do a complete site analysis and we would then provide a complete report in terms of what we found in terms of modernization needs, in terms of aged equipment, and in terms of digital readiness. So we have a lot of facilities within the company that can actually be used by our customers to actually do some of this groundwork. Because let's face it, not everyone's an IoT professional, or not everyone's a digital expert, and by all means no one's meant to be, which is why you have specialist people in specialist fields, and it's something that Schneider does really well, and it's a service that we offer to our customers.